Many of the available commercial inhibitors used in various corrosive media are highly toxic. Some of them have been reported as carcinogenic. In view of this observation, there exists a need for development of eco-friendly green corrosion inhibitors. Henna leaves and domestic waste are being used as corrosion inhibitors and named as GREENTOR. The extract from henna leaf were found to be cheap, environmental friendly, and good corrosion inhibitors. The recycling of this domestic waste such as onions and fruit peels into valuable product will offer economic and environmental benefits. Corrosion is deterioration of metals due to spontaneous electrochemical reaction. Corrosion is expensive due to its loss of materials or their properties, which leads to loss of time during maintenance, the shutting down of system, and severe failure of some structures, which in some cases may be hazardous and can cause injury. In many industries, mild steel is one of the most preferred materials due to its availability and the cost is relatively low. Acidic solutions are extensively used in industry. However, acidic conditions are usually detrimental to mild steel and give rise to significant financial losses.
There are different methods to prevent the corrosion of mild steel, among which the addition of chemicals, which called corrosion inhibitors, is the most economical way. Inhibitors are absorbed on the metal surface to form a protective barrier, but unfortunately, most of these compounds are highly toxic, very expensive, and environmental unfriendly. Therefore, the development of green and biodegradable corrosion inhibitors is a promising alternative. Natural products, in addition to their environmental friendly and acceptable nature, are inexpensive and readily available. Plus, they do not contain heavy metal nor toxic compound.
So, the objective of our project is to investigate the performance of GREENTORs as anti-corrosion agent. The novelty is newly green inhibitors to improve the corrosion activity, especially for mild steel applications. GREENTORs is made up from henna leaves, extract and domestic waste. Henna consists of 4 main constituents, which are lawsone, gallic acid, D-glucose, and tannic acid. These 4 constituents combine with active compounds from outer brown peels of onion, allium cepa, and orange peels, Citrus sinensis, could act with the metal cations and absorb on the metal surface to protect the metal from the corrosion attack.
As for the methods, firstly, for the preparation of extract, we reflux 10 g of henna leaves, 10 g of orange peels, and 10 g of onion peels in 100 ml of double distilled water for 3 hours. As shown here, this is the GREENTOR extract during the reflux process. The reflux solutions were filtered to remove any contamination, as we only want to use it in the liquid form. The water was evaporated from the filtrate using rotary evaporator set at 110 Celsius. This concentrated then was used to study the corrosion inhibition properties. For the second method, the preparation of mild steel specimens. Mild steel specimens used were cut into required dimension, polished with abrasive paper, and washed with deionized water. These specimens were then dry and weighted. Next, for the preparation of solution, 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution was prepared by diluting 37% HCl merc using distilled water. After that, the procedure of weight loss measurement. The HCl solution used was graduated in each beaker with a capacity of 50 ml. As you can see here, this is the experiment setup. We used 3 beakers. In the first beaker, we put HCl solution only. In the second beaker, we put HCl solution and henna. And in the third beaker, we used HCl solution and GREENTOR. Then, the mild steel specimens were immersed in 1 HCl solution with and without inhibitors and allowed to stand for 30 days at room temperature. As you can see here, this is the picture for the immersion of specimens. This is how we calculate the inhibition efficiency. In the first table, The dimension of each of the mild steel specimens were recorded, and the results of the analysis are shown in below table. This is the timetable for the inhibition efficiency. As you can see here, the graph without any inhibitors is significantly higher. It means that its weight loss is high due to the amount of corrosion happening. By comparing the weight loss of mild steel while using only henna and GREENTOR, we can see that the inhibition efficiency of GREENTOR is relatively higher than slowly using henna. In conclusion, it is the demonstration of the fact that GREENTOR acts as a good inhibitor for the corrosion.
We collaborated with University of Malaysia Pahang, which is under the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Earth Resources. As we already know, GREENTOR is made up from natural plants and domestic waste. These make the main benefits of GREENTOR are environmental friendly and biodegradable. Other than that, since we only use natural substances in making these corrosion inhibitors, this means the ingredients are available everywhere. So this will subsequently make it much more easier for us to acquire it, and at the same time will make it much more affordable. Last but not least, GREENTOR can also be mixed with paint. GREENTOR will help the paint to form coating agent, which will be so helpful in preventing the metal from being exposed to corrosion attacks. GREENTOR is going to be sold for 2 ringgit each bottle in around 500ml. And if we happen to commercialize it, we decided to sell it in a quite affordable price, which is around 20 to 30 ringgit per kilogram.